And we're back to learn Photoshop in a year, day 99. Let me show you how you can create an outline text effect. We want to use that as an intro to the blending modes. I'll go over them step by step. First up, we create a text. I activate this and I use the properties menu to adjust it. If you can't find the properties, go to window, click on properties. I want to use Acromean Waiver Concepts, make it black. But I want to adjust the kerning here, so the distance between the letters. So let me set this right here to 0. This should be basically the auto adjustment. Then I make it a bit bigger. I press Ctrl A to select it all. While I have to move to active, I can put it in center. Now right click on this text layer and there you should find the blending options. Right here. This should give you this menu, and now we can check the stroke. But keep in mind, checking the box and having the subcategory visible is something different. So I can check, for example, the inner shadow and the inner glow without accessing this submenu. So check the box for stroke and make sure that it's highlighted. If it isn't, left click on it, and then you should see the stroke menu. And here we can adjust first. Let me adjust the color. We can adjust the size via the slider, or numerically. We can adjust the position. Inside will just grow it towards the inside. Center will grow it in both directions, outside and inside. But usually you want to have outside. And we have the blending modes and the opacity, which is the same as it is for the layer. Down here in the layers menu. And you can also use overprint if you've got something more complex in the background. Fill type, we can set it to color, gradient or pattern. I want to stick to color in this tutorial. Then you may have noticed this little plus sign right here. If you click on it, you can add more strokes. So you can add multiple strokes with it. The order here is important, so let me make this 20, and this is now on top of the other stroke, so that we can't see it anymore. Well, let me inverse that. I make this bluish color 10 and the red color now 20. And now we can see the red. So what's on top here in the menu is also on top on the layer. I keep the first stroke to bluish, turquoise, second to red, and a third one, let me just make that greenish. And I make it 30 pixels. And this I can add more and more of these strokes. I'm going to confirm we're okay. You can still make them visible, invisible in the layers menu, or double click on stroke to reopen this menu and then readjust them. On this I can create this outline text effect in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.